Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we are discussing about second chapter of Bista's book, and the name of chapter is The Tiger King. This particular lesson, The Tiger King, has been written by one of the renowned writers of our country, or his name is Kalki. Kalki is a pen name of Ramaswamy Krishnamurti, who has written many novels and many short stories and worked as a story writer, as a journalist, and as a writer also. In previous video, dear students, I told you the summary of this chapter, The Tiger King, and today I am going to teach you line by line. Dear students, please open your book on page 8, and here I am going to start. On that day, dear students, I have told you about one of the question that is given in the beginning, or the question was, what is the general attitude of people towards wild animal? So people have a very negative attitude towards wild animal. They treat wild animals as their enemy. Dear students, the story is about Tiger King, who became the ruler of Pratibandhpuram state. The Maharaja, I am going to read. The Maharaja of Pratibandhpuram is the hero of this story. In this lesson, we have to discuss about the Maharaja of Pratibandhpuram, whose name is, dear students, Jilani Jang Bahadur. His Highness Jamedar General Khilidar Major Satya Vigrah Samhari Maharaja Dhiraj Vishwabhuna Samrat Sir Jang Jilani Jang Bahadur MAD ACTC. So in short, you can say the name of central character is the Tiger King. The name of that ruler is Tiger King. The hero of the story is the Tiger King. Or here writers wants to tell us कि I have come forward to tell you why he came to be known as Tiger King. The writer here, through this story, he wants to tell us why that Maharaja of Pratibandhpuram became famous as Tiger King. What is the reason behind it? Or he tells कि even Stuka bombers will not throw off the track. Those who are famous for bombing, they will also not move the riders out of track. Or he will surely and certainly tell about that most important character, the Tiger King. Right at the start, it is imperative, it is necessary. It is imperative, it is absolutely necessary. What necessary? To disclose the matter of that about the Tiger King. or everyone who reads the story will experience that central character in the different ways, or he will surely and certainly, the reader will surely and certainly feel about indomitable, about unyielding courage, understood, and about the bravery, about the courageous nature of that king. Even here is given, but the writer wants to tell that the tiger king has reached to that final abode of living creatures. Means tiger king is no more the character about whom the writer is going to tell us. Actually, that character is no more. The tiger king is dead. But here the writer wants to tell about his manner of death. The manner of his death is the matter of extraordinary interest. How the tiger king died, it is an interesting fact. It can revealed only, or that thing we will know only at the end of the chapter, that how he died. Understood? We will know that actually when the tiger king Sir Jilani Jang Bahadur was born, so as many astrologers were called to tell his future, or when they came, they gave their opinion, or what they said, that the child will grow up and become the warrior of warriors, hero of heroes, and champion of champions, or he will be very brave ruler, he will be very great ruler, or he will be famous for his bravery and for his courage. This opinion was given by astrologer. But one thing they told, that the king will die one day. The child will born under this star will one day have to meet the death. This was the prediction of astrologer. At that time, the 10 days boy Jilani Jang Bahadur, that 10 days boy raised a very genuine question and spoke and requested to the astrologers, or he asked, "O wise prophet, it is clear that everyone will die one day, but as an astrologer, they must tell the manner of his death." Firstly, dear students, the astrologers, the predictors, they were surprised. They could not believe. But again, the same thing was repeated by the 10 days boy. So finally they understood that the question was raised by the 10 days prince, Sir Jang Jilani Jang Bahadur. "O wise prophet," or he told that it was I who spoke. Don't be confused. So finally the astrologers were forced to tell. Dear students, the chief astrologer took off his spectacles and gazed intently to the 10 days baby. Or here the genuine question was there, कि all those who are born will die one day, but he should tell the manner of his death. So the chief astrologer placed his finger on his nose in wonder, और finally dear students he gave his opinion कि the prince Jilani Jang Bahadur was born in the hour of bull. He told the reason how he will meet to death, what will be the manner of his death, or he told कि as the prince was born in the hour of bull, or the bull and tiger both are the enemies, dear students. So therefore death comes from the tiger. After listening this, you must be thinking, the writer is telling कि the 10 days boy must be frightened, must be panicked. You may think that crown Prince Jang Bahadur was thrown into quake, into tremble when he heard the word tiger, but nothing happened. But it did not happen. As soon as he heard the word tiger, that he will die due to tiger only, so he roared with courage. Or he said, let the tigers beware. Dear students, so in this way the 10 days boy responded very dearly. Or from that time he decided to kill the tiger to make the prediction of predictors wrong. Special attention was given. This crown Prince Jang Bahadur second part grew taller and stronger day by day, and special attention was given to him. A boy drank the milk of English cow and was brought up by English nanny, English maid, and taught by English teacher. Understood? Or when he became, dear students, 20 years, finally he became the ruler of that kingdom, Pratibandhpuram. Or everyone in the kingdom remembered that prediction which was predicted by the astrologers before 20 years, even Maharajas also. Fortunately, in Pratibandhpuram's forest there were innumerable tigers. Many tigers. There was enough opportunity to kill. Everyone in the kingdom remembered the astrologer's prediction. Many continued to discuss the matter. Slowly it came to the Maharaja's ears. There were innumerable forests in Pratibandhpuram states, or they had many tigers. Maharaja knew the old saying, you may kill even a cow in self-confidence, self-defense. Or what was the opinion of Maharaja for killing the tiger? He told that in self-defense a person even may kill cow also. So for saving his life, he will surely and certainly kill the tiger. Or what happened, dear students? Maharaja started out a tiger hunt. Maharaja was, or finally he succeeded in killing the first tiger. Maharaja was thrilled beyond the measures when he killed the first tiger. He was overjoyed, he was overexcited. Dear students, or finally he called the astrologers and he wanted to tell that his prediction was wrong. Understood? What do you say now, the astrologer? So chief astrologer replied, Your Majesty, you may kill 99 tigers more in this way, exactly in the same manner, and there will not be the problem up to 99 tiger. Problem will be mainly with the 100 tiger. But you must be careful with the 100th tiger. What if the 100 tigers were also killed then? The tiger king asked, Sir Jungjung Jilani asked question to the astrologers, if he will be successful in killing the 100 tiger, then? So astrologer replied, then he will tear up all his astrology books. He told, if he will be successful in killing the 100 tiger, so that chief astrologer will tear up his all astrology books, or he will set those astrology books in fire. And he also told that he will cut off his tufts, his beard and mustache. He will cut. Crop his hair also. So what was the condition? He will burn his book, he will tear his book, and secondly, he will cut off his tuft, beard and mustache, and he will crop his hair, and instead of becoming astrologer, he will become insurance agent. This type of statement was given by the chief astrologer in front of Tiger King. Understood? So in this way, dear students, he told his opinion, because astrologer was very sure on the basis of calculation. Or Tiger King wanted to make him wrong. Tiger King wanted to make his prediction wrong. Understood? So that is given in part first and part second, dear students. This story is very, very interesting. I have told you today that the Tiger King has a big name, but in short, you may say, in shortened, made it short, when you will keep his name in short, tell his name in short, it is Tiger King. Or writer will surely not be frightened. Even Stuka Bimbers will come. He will surely and certainly tell about the Tiger Kings. Or he tells the most interesting thing about the Tiger King, his manner of death. His manner of death is very, very interesting. He also tells the Tiger King is no more today. Tiger King is dead. But his end is very, very interesting, or this we will know at the end of the story. Or how he reacted when the astrologers told first day about their prediction. How the astrologers were surprised, dear students, because they were not expecting that a 10 days baby, a 10 days boy, a 10 days prince can speak. Or even he asked very genuine question, that all those who are born will die one day, but they should tell the manner of his death. So they told, as he was born in hour of bull, or bull and tiger are great enemy, so he will be killed by tiger only. There was a danger with the tiger only. Or after listening this, he was not frightened, but he said, let the tigers beware. Or from that day, good care was given. English cow, English nanny, English tutor. Or after 20 years, he became the ruler. People reminded him about the prediction, or finally he succeeded in killing the first tiger. Understood? Then they called the astrologer. Astrologer told to kill 99 more, and problem was with the 101. Understood? He even told that if he will be succeeded in killing the 101, he will burn his books, astrology books. He will cut off his tuft, crop his hair, and will become insurance agent. So this is given in part first and second. Thank you, dear students. I will tell you remaining part in next video. Thank you.